What is up guys, welcome back to my channel. So since you guys really enjoyed the Tres Leches vlog, we are back, myself and Sarita, for round 2, and we're going to be trying to make fluffy pancakes this time. Souffle pancakes, Japanese pancakes, whatever you want to call them. Let's go. Alright guys, so we are going to start the recipe. It looks pretty simple. The tough bit seems to be whipping the egg whites to just the right consistency. We are just cleaning out our bowls to make sure that there's no water whatsoever, because Auntie Sonali said that that's going to hinder our egg whites from being fluffy. So there's your tip number 1. So let's get started separating the eggs. We have some lovely ambient sounds to our cooking vlog today. Yes. Yes. Next up, we are going to be adding 1 tablespoon of milk. Preferably room temperature. This is still chilling, but not actual Sri Lankan room temperature, you know. When they say room temperature, they mean like 27 degrees, not 40 degrees. So, 1. Okay, then you have to mix it together with a whisk. Yes, would you like to do that? So the recipe says to first add the egg yolks and the tablespoon of milk and mix it in until it's well mixed, and then to add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. 4.5 teaspoons of flour. Mix it well until there is no effects. Okay, next up we are going to be working with the egg whites. Are you filming? Yeah. We're gonna whip the egg whites just until they get frothy, and then we're gonna start adding the sugar in little by little. So we're gonna start at a low speed, like 2. Half a tablespoon, half a teaspoon, plus a quarter, plus half. That's 1 and 2/3 of a tablespoon. So the 2/3 we're gonna eyeball. Wish us luck. And 2/3. Go for it. Texture that we're going with. I hope that's okay. Putting it in here and mixing it in well, like so. This is apparently to help the egg whites get well blended, yeah, but not too much.
They say the egg white and yolk don't mix well at the beginning.
Yeah. How many?
Just keep adding like
little by little. How many times? Because after one, twice, right? Rice. 3 times.
So you put everything else now?
No.
The second one now.
This is the third one I'm putting.
Okay. Okay, that's good. Please mix slowly and mix it as if you were lifting the case.
This is like the key step in making sure the pancakes become fluffy. Really soft. Yeah. tough part that I never know when I'm done is, yes, it's fluffy and the right texture, but there's so much of egg whites that are not well mixed in, so I can't possibly stop mixing it. I feel like this was actually harder than making tres leches. Alright guys, so we finally got the first two pancakes on the grill pan. You kind of want something a little taller than this because every minute after you put it on, we are going to be taking off and adding another layer. So we've added a little bit of water so it steams and the middle of the pancake gets, it makes sure that it gets well cooked. And now we're going to add we're gonna close it. The thing has gone off. You want to make sure you're at low heat, but you're gonna want to make sure that your gas stove is on, unlike ours was just a second ago. So as low as it'll go, but on still. Right, we're gonna try flipping it now. It's making me so nervous because it kind of seems to be sticking to the pan. Okay, that's fine. Oh, it's so not cute. But it's fluffy. Can I get it off from here? Okay, so much better.
Oh my god, that's perfect. Yay!
Not the color I wanted, but and also maybe not leave it so long.
It takes so long to make pancakes.
No, it doesn't. The pan was knocked off for a while.
Yeah.
So you will make like these pancakes for me for breakfast?
Yeah, if you can just not annoy me in the process. Oh, it's looking good! Kaki wife material. I'm sweating and cooking Japanese pancakes for you.
Very good.
Better put a ring on it. Why? What is it called? Alright guys, they're looking super good. One is slightly burnt, but this is like our first two. The next ones will be better. So excited!
What? Something's burning.
Oh gosh, again!
Okay, can you stay here? This is nice, no? try. It's good.
It's so yummy.
It's nice and fluffy. Please try, guys. Good texture.
Good, right? It's
Super
really
texture.
good.
Perfect texture. Sure, not bad.
Thank you. It's like a little cake in here.
Actually,
Alright, Sarita, your turn.
it's so good. Try.
Yeah, chocolate sauce will do the trick.
Right. So good.
Do it, do it.
Hershey's.
Oh my god, so yummy.
Okay. My god, Sarita. Wait, weren't you supposed to not be eating chocolate?
Yeah.
Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video. I just wanted to leave a quick note saying that if you do want your pancakes to be fluffier than what they were, all you need to do is take the lid off every 1 minute and add in another layer. We did that once, so you might want to do it a second time as well. And altogether there'll be 3 layers of batter on each pancake, and that will make sure that your pancake is super fluffy. I hope you guys try this recipe, and if you do, make sure you send me a picture and let me know in the comments below what you think. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! Thanks for watching!